Well, it's good. I mean, I'm excited to show them the film, and I'm looking forward to their reaction towards the film. So it's obviously exciting.
Yaar, Kunu is one of the best guys I know. I wish him so much success and so much love. This guy is, I mean, you all don't know as much as I know him, but he's actually been quite an inspiration to me, because he is one guy I know who just does not give up. He just keeps going. It's like a bulldozer. You can't stop him. He's unstoppable. Besides that, I think he's proved himself. He's a great actor. He's a superb actor. I just hope, he gets that one film which kind of like radiates his talent to the entire world, and I hope this one is it. But yeah, that day will come, because you can't hold back talent. He's an amazing guy, and he's here to contribute to the world in a huge way.
कोई कौन सी फिल्म हिट होगी नहीं होगी वो तो कोई नहीं जानता. That we never know. मुझे लगता है कि इन्होंने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट को लेकर फिल्म बनाई है, खास करके ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमारे देश में बहुत ही रेलेवेंट है. तो आई थिंक इफ एनी टाइम इफ एवर देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ टाइम फॉर सैटायर फिल्म, दिस इज इट.
जी, पिक्चर का नाम है कौन कितने पानी में, और इसका नाम कौन कितने पानी में इसलिए है क्योंकि इसमें सब पानी में, क्योंकि पानी नहीं है. तो ये एक ऐसे गांव की कहानी है जहाँ पर पानी ख़त्म हो चुका है, और मैं उस गांव का युवराज हूँ, और मेरे फादर जो सौरभ शुक्ला हैं वो राजा हैं, और इनके पास ना तो पैसा है ना पानी है, और अब इस इलाके में पानी जो है वो करेंसी बन चुका है. तो अगर आपको कुछ ख़रीदना है या बेचना है, आपको वो पैकेट्स ऑफ पानी के साथ करना पड़ता है. तो इनके फादर जो है बहुत ही घटिया प्लान निकालते हैं कि जो अगला गांव है वहाँ पर पानी है, तो अगर मैं उनकी सरपंच की लड़की को फंसाऊँ तो हमारे गांव में पानी आ जाएगा.
And there is a brilliant performance by, the star cast is brilliant, because all of them has done fantastic job. Kunal Kapoor, Radhika Apte, and Gulshan Grover and Saurabh Shukla. This is in a way more special for me, because it comes from an area where I belong to. It's the first ever Hindi film which has a Odia story in it, which is a story from Odisha. So I think, you all should wish us that this film should do well, because it's all, I would say that it's a very important film for us. Well, that's the tagline, and which is true. When there is no water, you have to play dirty. That's the surprise. The dirtiness is, the uniqueness of the film is everybody plays dirty action because there is no water. And imagine a world where there is no water. Water becomes currency. So when water becomes currency, how people die to get that water? What all they do? One of the interesting line in the film, which is the love story, it's a first unique love story. Like we have seen love story which is like the guy fall in love, or the guy sees that the girl has a lot of money, or the girl is very beautiful. It's the first time a guy falls in love because there is no water. To get water, he falls in love with the girl to get water.